Good afternoon, dear student, especially 7 and 8. Dear student, we have finished simple present tense and simple past tense, and we will do our future tense later in later classes, maybe tomorrow. Dear student, before that, let us do some exercise that may help you to understand the tenses more properly. Now here I am giving you 25 questions today, and all these questions should be solved and should be noted in your notebook properly, and that is strict towards you. You have to do anyhow. Now dear student, let us go through our exercises that I am giving today. Fill in the blanks with correct verb form. Correct verb form यूज़ करना है. You have to use simple present tense का जो फॉर्म है वो भी यूज़ कर सकते हो. पास्ट टेंस का फॉर्म जो 4 फॉर्म्स है वो भी यूज़ कर सकते हो. इवन यू कैन यूज़ द फ्यूचर टेंस also. फ्यूचर टेंस का 4 फॉर्म्स also. It is mixed up because tense it has been I have taught you already in the classes for 7 and 8. So dear student, you must try hard and you must do all these exercises. Number 1, fortune dash the brave. Fortune dash the brave. Favor, favors, have favored, has favored. यहाँ पे most appropriate क्या होता है? Choose and write. Fortune डैश द ब्रेव. जो साहसी लड़का है उसको फॉर्च्यून उसका भाग्य साथ देता है. ये तो यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ है. सो इट शुड बी इन सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस. क्या होना चाहिए? फेवर्स. फॉर्च्यून फेवर्स द ब्रेव. नाउ नंबर 2, if it dash we shall get wet. Has rained, have rained, rains, is raining. And number 1, as an example I have solved that. Number 2, and other numbers you have to do by yourself, dear student. Try to put your mind, try to recollect whatever you have been taught during these classes. So try to do this. Number 2. Now number 3, I dash to the cinema tonight. Go, am going, have gone, has gone. First of all, you must see the sense of the sentence. Then only you can write the correct option in the blank. Tonight. That night नहीं है, tonight है. So think what will be suitable one. You can write it. Number 4, she dash sad. Looks, is looking, has looked, have looked. You have to choose from it. 5, he does a meal in his town. Has, have, is having. None of the above. अब यहाँ पे भी तुम लोगों को चूज़ करना है. Just choose it. Now let us move to number 6. Number 6, we dash English for 5 years. For 5 years. Time is there. टाइम रिफ़र करने में क्या यूज़ करना है? You know it very properly. Study, is studying, have been studying, has been studying. You must have a very good sense while forming this tense. So you must be very careful. Number 7, the baby dash all morning. Have been crying, is crying, cries, has been crying. The baby is singular. Have तो नहीं होगा. have तो नहीं होगा. It may be has, has. All morning it is, time is showing there. So it should be present perfect continuous tense. Isn't it? Sorry, present perfect continuous tense. So you must be very careful. Now let us see. Number 8, This paper does twice weekly. twice weekly. Appears, is appearing, has appeared, appearing. Number 9. The soup dash good. Taste, is tasting, tastes, has tasting. Be careful. Choose the correct one and do it. Now number 10. Dash her for long time. I dash her for long time. Know, known, have known, am knowing. Number 11. They dash their breakfast half an hour ago. Had been finishing, had finished, were finished. Number D, finished. You have to choose the correct one. Now let us go to another one. 12. When I was in USA, I dash Statue of Liberty. Statue of Liberty, आपको तो मालूम ही है. It is in USA. Number A, visited, was visited, had visited, none of the above. Now you have to choose the appropriate one and you have to fill in the blanks. Number 13. She jumped off the train while it dash. Moved, was moving, moving, was moved. Jumped, she jumped off the train while it, what you have to write. These are all the rules. I have given you the rules also and I have explained it all. While, after, ये for, ये सब के बारे में मैंने बताया है. Before, so you must be very careful. ये दो एक्शन हो रहा है यहाँ पे. एक क्या हो रहा है, ट्रेन चल रहा है, और एक जंप हो रहा है. सो ये कौन सा टेंस में होना है, यू हैव टू नो इट. 14 नंबर. व्हेन वी वेंट टू सिनेमा द फिल्म डैश. यहाँ भी दो सिचुएशन, दो काम हो रहा है. ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड, हैड ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड, was started, had been starting. Now let us go to 15. She dashed for half an hour when it suddenly started to rain. Walked, was walking, had been walking, none of the above. You have to choose a suitable one and answer it. Number 16. We dashed the radio all evening. Listened, वहाँ पे you must be well choosing the options also. You must be very careful with the spelling also. Spelling में भी ध्यान देना है. If the spelling is wrong, that is you cannot put that in the space because it is grammatically mistake. Were listening, had been listening, had listened. These are all the options. Now let us go to 17. She does many hours every day. Studied, had studied, was studied, had been studying. Choose the correct options. Now let us go to 18. I met her in 2000. I dash her last 10 years before. Saw, seen, had seen, were seen. I met her in 2000. I dash her last 10 years before. It is the action happened in past. So what you have to write? Just be careful. Now 19. At that time she dashed a story for 5 months. At that time she dashed a story for 5 months. Was writing, had been writing, wrote, had wrote. अब यहाँ पे चूज़ करना है. 20. She dashed college last year. Had left, had been leaving, was left, and left. Be careful, dear student. You must remember the explanation and do all these exercises. Now let us go to 21. By the next Diwali, we dash in this city for 15 years. Will live, will have lived, will be living, none of the above. By the next Diwali, we dash in. ये कोई प्रेजेंट टेंस अथवा पास्ट टेंस की बात नहीं, ये फ्यूचर टेंस की बात है. अब इसका सर्टेन रूल्स है. अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट पुट the suitable option in the blank. Now 22. She dash sad when she finds out what you have done. Now you have to put the correct option. Will be, would have said, would. These are the options. You just put it properly. Dear student, these are all the problem that is coming after 20. Number 20, it is of future tense. So be careful. You can try only. If even though if it is wrong, then I won't mind for that. But you have to at least try. Now 23. I will message you when I dash time. Have time, will have time, would have, none of the above. Try it. She dash you before too long. Will have contacted, will contact, will be contacting, none of the above. यहाँ से आप लोगों को क्या करना है, चूज़ करना है. 24 हो गया. Now 25. Why don't you ask Manish for help? I am sure that he dash you. Help, will be helping, will have helped. These are all the options. From number 20 onwards, you can at least try. If you make a mistake also, it won't matter. Dear student, at least you have to try. And all these exercises, it should be done in your notebook properly, and you have to make the work attractive. Dear student, these were all the exercises up to 25 from the tense. So dear student, try to do it sincerely, and we'll be doing future tense tomorrow. Till then, dear student, have a nice time. Have a good day. Thank you.